In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Knime. So you can go to Knime by going to knime.com and you can find it right here. So as you can see, you can download Knime for free, or you can also head over and then click on the sign in if you already have an account. Now for this, you can just continue to sign in. I'll head over and then just use my Google for the account creation right here. And then head over and choose my Google account for this case. Once that's been selected, it should be able to create right here an account for me if I want to. So head over and click on continue in order to enable this. Select right here username, click on continue, and after that, you should be able to find it right here. So it will redirect you back to this once you're done. As you can see, we've already signed up. Next thing you need to do is you just need to download it in order to use it. So here is an example of what it looks like. You can also try it online if you want. Here is what it looks like. So we have in here our actual playground, we have the information, the nodes, and the likes. So for this case, you can head over and then select or visualize right here what you want to add it. For example, head over to the nodes and add right here the filter as well as the things that you want. For example, let's add in here row filter, and this will be added right here. Let's head over and then increase and zoom in. You can head over and then just use the controls right here and you can find it from there. You can use manipulation nodes, views nodes, workflow control nodes, and the likes. So for this, you can head over and choose right here what you want to use for this particular case. Alternatively, you can also use the Knime AI assistant. Head over and accept this, and then ask what you would like to know right here. You can also head over to the monitor, and you can see some errors on your actual workflow and correct it from there as well. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video successfully helped you out. Thank you so much for watching.